Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well. In this video, we will discuss part 2 of lesson 8, known finites. Now, worksheet 5, what is a bare infinitive? The infinitive that has been used without to, it is called bare infinitive. Modals are always followed by the infinitive without to, except, ought to. Verbs of perception such as see, hear, feel, know are followed by an infinitive without to. Here example is given like you must see your doctor today. We all should teach at least one unprivileged child. Here with infinitive to is not used. In part B, some sentences are given and they are incorrect. You have to omit or one error from each sentence. The teacher made him to stand. The teacher made him stand. You need not to do it. You need not do it. Let them to enter the room. Let them enter the room. Like this, you can do the whole exercise. In worksheet 7, a sentence is given. The crying baby hugged his mother. Here, cry is verb and with ing form, it is describing the baby noun. However, it is also describing the baby. So, crying is also acting as an adjective. A word which is like a verb but acts like an adjective is called participle. Participles are of two kinds, present participle and past participle. Here some examples are also given. Part B, whenever a verb acts as a subject or we can say acts like a noun, that is called a gerund. Here one example is given. Swimming is a good exercise. In the above example, the word swimming is formed from the verb swim by adding ing. Thus, it is like a verb but is acting as a noun or subject and is therefore it is a gerund. Now you can differentiate a participle and a gerund. A participle is a verbal adjective formed from a verb and acting like an adjective. Here example is given, flying birds inspire me. Here flying is acting as an adjective for the noun birds. A gerund is a verbal noun formed from a verb and acting like a noun. Man always dreamt of flying in the sky. Now, worksheet 8, you can do it yourself. And now, complete worksheet 6 to 9 of lesson known finites. Thank you and have a nice day.